Today we are learning the Korean polite past tense, as어요, 없어요, and 했어요. These endings are used to talk about things that happened in the past. Part 1. as어요. We use as어요 when the last vowel of the verb stem is a or 오.
For example, 가다, meaning to go. Remove 다, we get 가. Add 왔어요, 갔어요, meaning went. Another example, 오다, meaning to come. 오 plus 왔어요, 왔어요, meaning came.
Part 2, 없어요. We use 없어요 when the last vowel of the verb stem is not a or o. For example, 먹다, meaning to eat. Remove 다, we get 먹. Add 없어요, 먹었어요, meaning ate. Another example, 보다, meaning to see or watch. 보 plus as어요 becomes 보았어요, but in natural speech we shorten it to 봤어요, meaning saw or watched. Part 3. 했어요. 하다 verbs. If a verb ends in 하다, we do not use as어요 or 없어요. Instead, we change 하다 to 했어요.
For example, 공부하다, 공부했어요, studied. 운동하다, 운동했어요, exercised. 전화하다, 전화했어요, called. 일하다, 일했어요, worked.
저는 학교에 갔어요. I went to school. 저는 아침을 먹었어요. I ate breakfast. 친구를 만났어요. I met a friend. 영화를 봤어요. I watched a movie. 커피를 마셨어요. I drank coffee. 집에서 쉬었어요. I rested at home. 어제 비가 왔어요. It rained yesterday. 저는 공부했어요. I studied. 전화를 했어요. I made a phone call. 운동을 했어요. I exercised. 한국어를 배웠어요. I learned Korean. 음악을 들었어요. I listened to music. 친구에게 메시지를 보냈어요. I sent a message to my friend. 밤에 늦게 잤어요. I slept late at night. 시장에 갔어요. I went to the market. 점심을 먹었어요. I ate lunch. 영화를 재미있게 봤어요. I watched the movie enjoyably. 비가 와서 우산을 썼어요. Because it rained, I used an umbrella. 시험을 잘 봤어요. I did well on the exam. 어제 바빴어요. I was busy yesterday.